Hello soldiers, welcome to the channel. You may notice there's no ladies to be found. The ladies were literally waking us up at like 2:15 in the morning to be fed. So we had to banish them to the shop, and we're breaking them of that habit. So they're getting fed at like 10 a.m. now. And hopefully when they move back in with us here in a little bit, they will not be so gung-ho in the mornings. But we miss them. They're very cute in there.
Yeah, we'll show you guys.
We'll see them in a little bit here. But first, let's look at this coffee, eh?
As you can see, all of our window covers are still up because we don't have any ladies. Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
We did sleep with the skylight open, and these boys woke us up bright and early. Bye, boys. Sorry, everybody.
We need to remix another brick of cocoa core for the old turlet this morning. Ooh, the P-Jack's full too. Back in business, baby.
Oh yeah, she's real full. Oh, that's the stuff. So this is what the liquids holding tank looks like. And it's easy to empty. You just take it into like any public restroom. I genuinely cannot live without this toilet. I would never do van life without a composting toilet now. And we are excited to show you actually how we're going to integrate this same toilet into our new van.
Hi, ladies.
Hey.
Ugly. Oh yeah, dude.
Well, we have made a little bit of progress since we last saw you.
Since then, we did add the Nautilus door, which is nice. And we added our compo closet cuddy drawer on heavy duty drawer slides with locks. But this is super cool because you can tuck the toilet away and then close this up. We have been using the cuddy for the last probably year or so in our own van. It's one of the best composting toilets on the market currently.
No, 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 no.
Also, probably the most affordable composting toilet on the market and most compact. It's a super great solution. So if you're interested, we are gonna link it below. Go cop a Compo Closet Cuddy. You can see just how much you can do with a composting toilet with dimensions like this. It's easy to open up and get to the liquids and solids bin. It's easy to get to the agitator, which is right out here in the front. It's just premium. I'm on my throne in here. Bye.
We did get our first unit veneered, which, oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how excited I am about this veneer. It was our first time doing it, and there's just a whole different dynamic when you're like showing something for the first time on camera, but you're also doing it for the first time. So we wanted to get this under our belt, feel a little more confident, but we will be taking you through that process today. Actually, we're gonna be veneering our kitchen units. We also did the ceiling. I'll cut in some clips of me doing that. Yeah, we're basically just Roman claying the entire ceiling. This is also something new for us. I don't think we've ever built a van where we did not do a slatted ceiling.
This is the other thing we got built, this nice little curved bench. And it serves a dual purpose because this is going to be the ladies' litter box. So they're going to have privacy of their own when they use the bathroom. We've got a nice little arched door to match our arched door.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Veneer is a very new process for us, so If you got any pro veneer tips. There it is. Uh-oh. Oh my God, she's dripping. She's dripping. Where? This is the back of the veneer, and then we rolled out to this line we marked off. These are getting cut off here because we have benches that'll cover this bottom section, so we don't want to waste the veneer. Basically, we're rolling them on. We're letting both sides just tack up slightly, and then we'll stick them down.
All right, so we've got some weight resting on the veneer, and we're gonna head to Home Depot.
We are gonna head to Home Depot. We gotta get some insulation. Is that it? Is that all we're getting? Catch you there.
Hey, I'm ready.
What do you do? What do we do? Yeah.
Vegan chickenless chicken nuggets. We just throw these in a pan with some oil. Super tasty, super quick. Love them.
Wait, have you seen the thing where you put water in your mouth and then you try to slap each other as hard as you can in the face with a tortilla, and if you spit it out, you lose?
Let's do it. Quick. Scarlett's gonna lose. I'm already winning.
Ow!
We lost tortillas.
I can only imagine the big ones.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Also, I don't think we cut in footage of Dumpster Dave last video. If you don't follow us on Instagram, you don't know who Dumpster Dave is.
He's our street cat.
He's our street cat. We want to adopt him. No, but I haven't seen Dumpster Dave in a few days, and I'm a little worried. This is the cheese we use. This is vegan cheese. It's very good.
That's a very simple, easy lunch, weird chicken nugget taco.
Where's Dumpster Dave? I'm concerned for his well-being. No, babe, I really am concerned. You don't seem concerned.
I am concerned.
You call your mama, I call your blood. We never met. We said we had enough.
Again!
Second cup of coffee for the day. Let's get back to the build. All right, it's been probably like 3 hours since we glued this up. So I feel confident enough to flip it while we glue the top.
There she is, folks. First panel done. Those are still drying up, so we'll leave those for a few more hours.
she is.
Look who it is.
Oh,
Hi.
He's here. Hello, sir.
Because literally, I could eat this bowl for the rest of my life. Wow.
It's been a while.
We got the heated floors on. We're bougie like that. I mean,
Yeah.
what can I say?
It's the foot washing ceremony. Thank you, man.
Get the bed out.
Yeah, let's do it.
We tried to do a cool transition for you all. Hopefully you enjoy that. It's bedtime. You want to come in and we can do the outro together?
No, what do I do? Good night.
That is going to go ahead and conclude this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're interested in the Cuddy composting toilet, we will have it linked below. Highly recommend this toilet. We'll see you next time. Bye.